Hi, I'm Laura from Milkbar, and in this clip I'm going to take you through how to assemble your advanced flow double electric breast pump. So you're going to take your silicone breast cushion and the casing, and put the valve through the centre of the casing, pull it through and just push it down onto the underside plug. And then flip the sides of the silicone cushion around the casing to secure it. Take your diaphragm and place it in the top, and the cap screws on top of there. Take the tubing, place one side in the back nice and firmly in there, and place the other side into the side of your pump, nice and firmly in there. You can use your bottle stand to ensure that it doesn't fall over, and then you're ready to express.